5.3 to 1.2. Why 5.3? I'm saying I don't know. Exercise 1.2. First sum. Now this sum has been repeated too many times for the board exam. In this chapter, one is LCM and HCF. Okay, that's the most important. Second one, root 2, root 3, root 5. Proving them irrational. That's the most important question. Okay, read.
Prove that root 5 is irrational.
See here. Prove that root 5 is irrational. This is a question. Getting? We all know that root 5 is irrational. Yes or no? Roots come under irrational things. Okay. So we know that root 5 is irrational, but we should prove that. How to prove that? So sometimes we'll ask root 5, sometimes we'll ask root 2, sometimes we'll ask root 3. Three questions will appear. Fixed questions. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ. So this is the most important question out of this chapter. If you leave this and go, it's ಈ chapter ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. This is the most important question. Okay. So to prove root 5 irrational, I will make it ulta. I will take, let's assume solution. Let's assume root 5 is rational. I will first assume that root 5 is a rational number. It's a rational number. If root 5 is rational number, okay, then root 5 will be in the form of a by b. Yes or no? What's a rational number? Yesterday we have studied. Day before yesterday, first class. Rational number will be in the form of p by q. Correct? 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 7 by 3. P by q format. If it's not in the format of p by q, then it is irrational number. So first I will take root 5 as a rational number. So rational number root 5 is equal to a by b. Some people will write p by q. How you want, you can write, no problem. Okay. So root 5 is equal to a by b. Now it's a rational number. Okay. Next, this b I will send it here. I can send b here. So root 5b is equal to a. Next, I want to get this root outside, 5 outside of this root. So I square them. Square both sides. Square on both sides. Because I want to get outside of the root. To get outside of the root, we'll square them. So root 5b whole square is equal to a square. Now square down to both sides. So root 5 square will become 5. This root will get cancelled. B square is equal to a square. Any doubts still here? 5b square is equal to a square. Now when it appears like this, 5b square is equal to a square, this means that this a square is divisible by 5 and a is also divisible by 5. So I'll write one sentence here. Once again I will write that 5b square is equal to a square. That means a square is divisible by 5 and a is also divisible by 5. Meaning, the meaning is, think that 15 is equal to 5b square, like this it is there. So this 15 is divisible by 5 or no? Yes, correct or no? It is in that form. Think like that. So whenever the question is in this format, a square is divisible by 5, and if I take this a also, then also it is divisible by 5. One more example I'll give, but better example. Don't take 15, let's take 25. 25 is divisible by 5. Okay, and similarly 5 is also divisible by 5, or 5 is square, 5 square. Okay, 5 square is divisible by 5, 5 square is divisible by 5, and 5 is also divisible by 5. Correct or no? If I reduce that, so both will work. Next, now what I will do, let's take a is equal to, this a is equal to 5c. I will consider a is equal to 5c. If I consider a is equal to 5c, 5b square is equal to, a means 5c the whole square. Okay, 5c whole square. 5b square, 5 square 25, c square. Now this b square is divisible by b square is divisible by 25 and b is also divisible by divisible by 25. Right statement. One second, one mistake I did. This is also correct, but I'm 5 again. There 5 or then. So 5 ones are 5 I can do. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So little bit further to go. B square is equal to 5c square. No, b is divisible by same statement will come. B square is divisible by 5 and b is also divisible by when both the things, when both a and b, a square is also divisible by 5, a is also divisible by 5, b square is also divisible by 5, b is also divisible by 5, a and b both have same common factor 5. When both the things have same common factor 5, then our contradiction is wrong. When both have same thing, when both have 5 as the same factor, it is not a rational number. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. We type Kathete. Okay, once again I will tell you. Maximum students will not have understood. Okay. Easily first, I should prove that root 5 is irrational number. To prove root 5 is irrational number, I will take it ulta. I will take first it as rational number. Okay, rational number means a by b. Send b here. Root 5b is equal to a. Okay, square that because I don't want this root. I want to get out of the root, square that. Root 5b square is equal to a square, 5b square is equal to a square. So when equation appears like this is there in theorem. You have one theorem. Okay. You have one theorem, but before only I am teaching this. So 5a square is equal to a square. Whenever you see like this a square is divisible by 5 and a is also divisible by 5. Okay. So write like this: a square is divisible by 5, a is divisible by 5. That means this 5 can be complete. 5 is enough to completely divide that. And it's factor of that. Next, what you should do is, let's take this a is equal to 5c. Equate that equal to 5c. Then what you do? 5b square is equal to a means 5c whole square. Again 5c whole square is there, square. So you do this, 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Again you will get same 5. Now this time b square is divisible by 5 and b is divisible by 5. So when both a and b both are divisible by 5, that means what? It has a common factor 5. When both have common factor 5, it's not rational number. Rational numbers don't have same common factor. Example, if I take 25 by 5 tagondeppa, yadu same. See, for this also common factor is 5. For this also common factor is 5. Getting? So like that it shouldn't be there for rational number. So when both have common factor 5, then our contradiction is wrong. It's not a rational number, it is irrational number. Getting? Therefore root 5 is irrational. Now what you do? You guys sit and do root 2 and root 3 I will check. Your work is to same copy this. Instead of root 5, you will write root 3, root 2. Root 3 is equal to a by b. Listen first. Root 3 is equal to a by b. Send b here. Root 3b is equal to a. Okay. Then square that. 3b square is equal to a square. Till here will come. You will get 3b square is equal to a square. From here what you will do? A square is divisible by 3. A is also divisible by 3. Next here, in case of I took a is equal to 5c. When you are doing root 3, what you will take a is equal to? After change. When you are doing root 2, what you will do? A A is equal to 2C. Then continue. The common factor will be 2 or common factor will be 3. Therefore, our contradiction is wrong. Same story. Okay, try. Now I will put logic here. The logic is, see here, now I understood. A and B are co-prime. Here, root 5 is equal to A by B because it's a irrational number. I have considered it as rational number. So I will take A and B as co-prime. What is the meaning of co-prime?
Which doesn't have any common living one.
Leaving one example.
3 and 4.
Correct? See here. First, let's understand what is co-prime. Co-prime means 3 and 4. I will take two numbers, 3 and 4. Now, if I take factors of 3, I can write it as 3 into 1. Yes or no? 3 ones are 3. Leaving than 3 ones are 3. Can you give me any other factor? 3. Example 6. If I take 2 3s also, I can write 3 2s also, I can write. But 3 ones are 3. That's the end. Okay. Next 4. I can write as 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 1 also I can write. 2 2s are 4. 4 ones are 4. What is the common factor between this and this? Means 1. Here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. 1 is a common factor. Co-prime means the common factor will be what here? Common factor will be what? 1. So when I have two numbers A and B, when I have two numbers, their common factor should be what? 1. But what is my common factor? 5. If common factor is 5, then is this a rational number? Break atil rule. So only it is a rational number. It is a story. Understood story? Okay, once again I will tell you. Root 5 is equal to A by B, where A and B are co-prime. Co-prime means what? Their factor will be 1. Two numbers will be there. Their factor will be 1. One more example I will give. If I take 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Okay, 5 can be written as 5 ones are 5. And 7 can be written as 7 ones are 7. So what is their common factor? 1. So these are also co-prime numbers. Yes or no? Both are co-prime numbers. So when it is a co-prime, the common factor should be 1. But here I got common factor 5. So when I'm getting different common factors, 2, 3, 5. When you do root 2, will get 2. When you do root 3, will get 3. When I'm doing root 5, will get 5. So when I'm getting root 5, 2 and 3 as a common factor, it's not a co-prime number. Therefore, it is irrational number. Any doubts? Clear? So E-type break aaketa. That's the logic. Okay, take it. This has a different logic. That has it now. Next sum has a different logic. Read next one.
Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational.
Yes.
3 plus 2 root 5.
No. Same sum, almost same. Okay, just now I did only root 5. This time they have given me one more term. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Again, I will follow the same method. I will consider first. Okay, assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, we'll assume it has a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 will be equal to what? Will be equal to A by B. Same story. A by B, where A and B are co-prime. A and B are co-prime. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will send this 3, this time I just want root 5 here. Remaining everything I will send there. Okay. So first 3 I will send. So 2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. If 3 goes there, it will become minus 3. Okay. So 2 root 5 as it is. Now I will take LCM. B here 3 by 1 is b into 1 is b. Okay. 30 rupees. Okay, correct. 3 into b ಆಗ್ತದೆ correct ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಸಮ ಹಂಗೆ 3 1 into b b into 1 b a into 1 a minus 3 into b 3b a minus 3b by b. Now 2 is also here. I don't want this 2 also. I just want root 5 here. So 2 also I will send. So root 5 is equal to a minus 3b whole divided by 2b. So this is what we get. Any doubts here? What I did? Any doubts here? Once again, 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b because it's a rational number. I have considered it as rational number. I only want root 5. Remaining everything I have sent here. That's what I have done. And I get this a minus 3b is equal to a minus 3b by 2b. Now a minus 3b by 2b. This is on a left hand side, right hand side. Our right hand side is in the format of p by q or no? It's in the format of p by q. A and b are integers. Now a minus 3b by 2b is rational number where a and b are integers but see here, you might have studied about this. Okay, rational is equal to rational. I can write both will be equal. Rational will be equal to rational, but can an irrational number be equal to rational? Can I equate irrational number to be rational? We cannot equate that. See here, on this side I have an irrational number. I have root 5, that is irrational. But on that side, on the right hand side I have a rational number. So we cannot equate both of them. On one side, a minus 3b by 2b is rational number, where a and b are integers. But root 5 is irrational number. Therefore, irrational number cannot be equated to rational number. Irrational number cannot be equated to rational number. So what happened? Our contradiction is wrong. We cannot equate. Is irrational? Did this become rational? So I proved that it's not rational. Rational is not equal to irrational. This is not rational. This is also not rational. This is rational. Therefore, our contradiction is wrong. 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This is how we prove here. When he gives sums like this, 3 plus 2 root 5, or one more you try, 7 plus 2 root 5, getting 3 plus 2 root 3, something like this he will give. So at that time what you will do? Only root whatever ಇದಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. You will send everything that side. Then you will get equation like this. Then you will tell him this is rational, but this is irrational, and we cannot equate rational is equal to irrational, because if this is irrational, this is also irrational only. ಇದು rational ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತಿಳಿಯತ್ರಿ ಹೇಳೋದು. Rational will not be equal to, it will be never like this. Rational is never equal to irrational. So when this property gets broken down, I know that this is also irrational. Only irrational can be equal to irrational, or rational can be equal to rational. Getting? So when this property gets broken down, we know that our contradiction was wrong. We took that as rational number, our contradiction became wrong. So both are irrational number. Therefore, root 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Any doubts? Okay, take it and do that next one. Now remaining all sums are same. One sum I will do. Further you go and try. Okay. All are same now from here. Right.
Prove that the following are irrational.
Hmm.
First one, 1 by root 2.
See here 1 by root 2 I should prove it as a irrational number. So I will assume 1 by root 2 is rational number. So 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. Okay. I just want root 2. I want root 2. So I will root 2 I will send it here. Root 2 is equal to b by a. B will come here, a will come here, root 2 will go here. Getting? Root 2 will go here, b will come here, a will come here. So b by a is equal to root 2. Okay. We want in this format. So the root 2, root 2, root 3, root 5 was in this format. So root 2 is equal to b by a. Now b by a is a rational number. Yes or no? B by a is a rational number. It's in the format of p by q, where a and b are integers. But this rational number is equated to what? Irrational number. But root 2 is irrational number. Again same thing. Irrational number was equated to rational number, which is false. We cannot assume like that. Therefore, our contradiction is wrong, false. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is irrational number. Any doubts? Same story. Now further two sums are there. Whatever it might be, e type with 7 plus root 2. Keep root 2, send everything this side. Then you will get irrational is equal to rational. You Martin amal ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಟಪಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Be quick. And ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ 6:45 everybody should be present here. ಆರಾಮ್ ಬರಾತಿರಪ್ಪ 7 o'clock ಬರಾತಿರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾವ ಈಗ. So their school will start from 8:15. They should go early. ನೀವು 7 o'clock ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So from tomorrow I will start from 6:45 only. 6:30 ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ, 6:45 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ 7 o'clock ಬಂದ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಲು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾ ಒಂದ್ ಸಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಪೂರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಾಕೈತಿ. Okay? So it's your duty to come at 6:45. You should be present here. Exact 6:45 I will start class from tomorrow. Into LCM is equal to first into second. Remember this? First number into second number. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. If I multiply both of this, the answer should be equal to HCF into LCM. So that is the formula I am going to use. Again, don't take these numbers, sit and do LCM. You should go by formula. Two methods are there. Okay. So HCF is how much? 9. HCF of this number is 9. I am finding LCM. Keep it as it is equal to first number is 396. Second number is 657. So LCM is equal to 396 into 657 whole divided by, this will go down, 9. LCM is equal to 9 ones are 9 fours are 9 ones are 27 36. 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 36, 9 fours are 36. 34 into 657. 34 into 22,338. Check everybody. Easy? So this is one way to find the LCM, or you can take these two numbers. What la? You normal ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Do that and tell me whether it is same or no. That's your homework now. Okay? Take this and do that. 226 and 657. Take those numbers. Find LCM. How much tough it will be? Because 657 is not an easy number to do prime factorization. Try. Okay. We'll get the same answer. You will get this LCM only if you do that. Next, read.
Check whether.
Stop reading. See here. We need some. Okay, read.
Check whether 6 raised to n can end with digit 0.
So I should check whether 6 raised to n ends with
Digit 0
digit 0.
for any natural number n.
Example. One example. Now, 10. This is a digit that ends with 0. Correct? 10 square if I do 10 power n, 10 power n, 10 square, it ends with 0. It ends with 0 digit. Like that 6 power n if I do, will it end with 0 is or no is asking. When it can end with 0 means, when 10 means it is 2 into 5, prime factors are 2 into 5. Whenever 2 into 5 will come, whenever the prime factors are 2 into 5, the digits will end with 0. If 2 into 5 is not seen, it cannot end with 0. Now in case of 6 power n, if I take 6, its prime factor will be 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Correct? So 6 power n, if I take like this will be 2 into 3 whole power n. So here 2 is there, but is 5 there here? 2 into 5, if it is there, then it will end with what the digit 0. But here 5 is absent. 2 into 3 is there. 2 into 3 is 6. So can it end with the digit 0? It cannot end. Therefore, it takes 2 into 5, okay, as prime factors to end with 0. If you see 2 into 5, that number will end with 0. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. You do and see, you will see 2, 2, 5, 5. Example, 100 also I will do and so. 100 prime factors will do. Okay. 2, 50. Again 2, 25. Now see 5 came. Yes or no? You will see 2 and 5. Again 5, 5. So you will see 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Whenever you see 2, 5, 2, 5, that means it ends with what? 0. If you don't see 2 and 5, it is not ending with 0. Easy? Now, can 7 power n think? Can 7 but what the fuck? Can 8 power n end with 0? Think. What are the factors of 8? What are the factors of 8? Prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factors of 8. 8 if I say it's 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factors. Will it end with 0? There is no possibility because 5 is not there. 5 is absent. Similarly, 6 power n also will not end with 0 because 2 into 3 are its factors. It doesn't have 5. Therefore, it takes 2 into 5 as prime factors to end with 0. As 5 is absent, not present, as a prime factor in 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Therefore, what is 6 power n? Doesn't end with 0. Any doubts? Take this, take that. One more sentence I will tell, write it first. ಈಗ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. 6 power n, first write 6 power n can end with 0. 6 power n can end with 0 if, comma, if 2 and 5 both are, 2 and 5 both are its prime factors. Therefore 6 is equal to 2 into 3 power n. Now write this story. Only 2 exercises. For you also 2 are there, no? Then they said 1 exercise yesterday. You said 1. That is different textbook. ಯಾವ textbook ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಪ್ಪ ನೀ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅದು? State it's there. ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನು ಪೇಜ್ ಇದು? ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ? Only 2 exercises are there. This exercise is there or no for you? HMHF. This is there. HM नहीं CBSE exercise. Exercise check नहीं तुमने? Next which exercise is there for you? That is there. Euclid is not there. Give here Euclid how much it is there? 1 second. This they have removed now mostly. This year they have removed. Completed. Next one. Okay, now next one, little bit we'll understand about one concept. What is a composite number? Composite number. More than one factor. Okay. Opposite to prime number. Prime number means there are no factors. Example, if I take 3, can you divide 3 with any other number than 3? 3 means I can only write 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Can you write any other possibilities there? 10 if I take, I can write as 2 into 5. 5 into 2. 8 if I take, I can write as 2 into 2 into 2. 6 if I take, I can write as 3 into 2. There are some other numbers that will come inside. But if I take 17, 17 can be broken by only 1 into 17 itself. Yes or no? So we cannot break them. It can be broken down by itself only. 17 ones are 17. Getting? So these are prime numbers. These are prime, which can be only divided by themselves or by 1 or by 1. Now composite number means here more than one factor is there or no? 3 into 2. Two factors are there. Two factors. Three factors. How many factors are there? 3. So these are our composite numbers. Composite. Now you guys should tell me, is 4 a composite number or no? What are the factors? 2 into 2. So 2 into 2. Two factors are there. And it is divisible by this also, it is divisible by this also. So this is a composite number. Okay, is 12 a composite number? 12 a composite number? Is 12 composite number? 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. This is 2. This is also a composite number. Composite number means opposite of prime number. Prime number cannot be, it can only be divided by itself. Composite numbers, it can be divided by other numbers more than one factor. If you see, it's a composite number. Any doubts? Concept understood? Okay, now we'll take that as sum. Read. Read.
Explain why.
Study pa. ದಿನ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ರೀಡ್. ಹಾ.
Explain why. 7 into 11 into 13
7 into 11 into 13
plus 30 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Are opposite.
Okay, I should prove these numbers are composite. One example will give. Just now we did. If I ask one question, if 8 is composite number or no? Yes or no? 8 is composite or no? 18? 18? Composite. So why I was saying composite? Because it has factors, different factors. Similarly, this something, one number called plus, plus 5. Okay. Now you should think little bit. Now if I give an example, 2 plus 6, is this a prime fact? Is this a prime number or composite number? 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Huh? Composite or prime number? 2 plus 6. Huh? 8 were there. 8 is a composite number. So you add it and said me. Similarly, this is a very big number. First let's add that. Then let's divide it. Then we'll see it's composite or prime number. Understood? So that is what I'm going to do now. So there are two methods you can add and see, but I will take one different method. Okay. So this is one thing plus this. Two terms are there here. What is common here and here? You can see 13 outside. So I'll pull 13 outside. If I take 13 common, 7 into 11 plus 1 is remaining here. I took 13 outside. 13 outside. 7 into 11 plus 1. And here what I can pull outside, think. Here what I can take outside. This is one term. This is one term. Here also 5 is there. Here also 5 is there. 5 you take it outside. So if I pull 5 outside, 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2, leave 1 plus 1. Getting or no? 5 is plucked outside. Common. Now 13 as it is. 7 into 11 fast. 77 plus 1 and 5 of multiply this and tell me. This bracket will come here. Now this has entered inside only because we have to common. Okay. we have took common. We have considered it as one full thing now. Okay.
1000.
1000 plus 1. 13 of 77 plus 1. 13. 78, how I can write? These are the prime factors, and this can be written as only 5 into 1009. 1009 is a prime number. 1009 is a prime number. So this number, if you add and see, it can be written as 13 into 2 into 3 into 13. Are all these prime numbers? These are all prime numbers. Similarly, this also, and this can be written as 5 into 1009. So if you take this as a whole number, pura number 1 200, if you do that thing, prime factorization, you will get these as these prime numbers. This is how it will get divided. Okay, R-type packet. If you add all of this and do that thing, you'll get, at the end you will get this. Getting? So now tell me, is this a composite number or no? Is that a composite number or no? There are more than one factor. There are 4 different factors here. So it's a composite number. This is also a composite number because 2 factors are there here. When you see more than one factor, that is a composite number. If you see only one, hinga itpa 17 into 1 if you see. Getting? 13 into 1. Hinga kanastandre, it's a prime number. Hinga kanatidena? Is it appearing like that? There are sikapade prime numbers. So that is what that's a composite number. If you see like this, then it is a what a prime number. Any doubts? What I did here? First I saw 13 common here also 13, so 13 is here. I took 13 outside. 7 into 11 plus 13 means 1. 13 has went outside 1. Similarly here, I saw 5 and 5 as common. I took 5 outside from here also, 5 outside here also. Here leave 5, here if you take 5 outside, 1 will remain. Then add 77 plus 1, 78, find 78's prime number. You get this. 1009 was prime number, so I kept it as it is. Any doubts? Okay, take it. Read next.
There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round.
See here. Sonia. Okay, this is Sonia. She takes 18 minutes. And next there is Ravi. Okay. He will take
12 minutes.
12 minutes. Same. Distance is same. Both are same. Think 1 kilometer is there. The circular path is 1 kilometer. Both are running same 1 kilometer. But Sonia is taking 18 minutes. Ravi is taking 12 minutes. Understood question? Ravi takes 12 minutes to finish one round. Sonia takes 18 minutes to finish that same round. Okay, further.
Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting?
See, she is also running. He is also running. He is taking 12 minutes. He is going further. So when they both will meet again, at what time? Getting? So he should be first. First okay. Sonia is taking 18 minutes. Ravi is taking 12 minutes. When they will meet both means its least common multiple, LCM we should find. So LCM of 18 and 12, first 18 I will do. 2 9s are, 2 1s are over 12. 8 2s are, 2 9s are. So Sonia, if I write, it is 2 into 3 into 3. Ravi, 2 into 3 into 2. 2 is 4, 4 is 12. 3 is 9, 9 is 18. So LCM is equal to, this is common, this is common, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3, 3 into 2. 2 is 4, 4 is 12, 12 is 36. So at 36 minutes, at 36th minute, they both will meet each other. Getting? You start ಮಾಡಿ 36 minutes ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, if they run by same pace, change our pace. He should be completing at 12 minutes, she should be completing at 18 minutes. The pace should be same. Then they will meet at what? 36 minutes. Getting? So when this type of question will appear, you should find LCM. When they both will meet means LCM achide gotaagtade. So both will meet at 36 minutes. Any doubts? Easy? Apply LCM, you will get the answer. Okay? Take it. Now we'll do some LCM and HCF sums. Some questions I will give you a try. Okay. First one. 15 and 24. Try fast. Give me its LCM and HCF. 15 and 24. 15 and 24. Second one, 24 and 36. Thirty-six and 48. So first I will do this answer. Stop writing. 15 and 24. 15, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. 24 sit quiet. 3 8s are, 2 2 4 2 2 2. So 15 we can write as 3 into 5, and 24 we can write as 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So LCM is 3, HCF is 3, has common factor 3. LCM 3 into, here 5 is remaining, into 2 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 120. How many good? Very good. Getting? Easy? Okay, next. 24 and 36. First into 24. 2, 12. 2, 6. 36. So 24 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. HCF 2 into 2 into 3. LCM 2 into 2 into 3. First we'll write this, then 2 into 3 is remaining. What is the answer? 6 and 6 is 18. Huh? 4 4 is 12. Sorry. Okay, this one? 72. Next. 36 here only, it is an answer is there. 48 I will do. Well, So 36. 48. 1, 2, 3. More. So HCF, LCM. What is this answer? 12. I hope everybody got that. Okay. Next. Now I'll use some sums. How much it is possible to try that? Remaining answers I will send it in home. So in home you will see those answers. These are the questions that have appeared for the board. 48 and 64. Start. So write this in one classwork only. So when you are next after 10 months, if you see this chapter, if you see LCM and HCF, you will have these many sums to practice. You can sit and practice once again if you forget this also. So make notes properly. In notes all ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್.